Welcome back. Let's go ahead and take a look at the summary guide and exercise sets. So you can begin here at your account homepage by clicking on the Browse All Summary Sheets option under Summary Guides and Exercise Sets. Alternatively, you can go up to the Additional Materials section here at the top, and then you'll click on the Summary Guide option. Alright, and here we're at our homepage for the Summary Guide and Exercise Sets. So here we have all of our chapter titles along with all the topics that are covered. So as we scroll down here, you'll see that there are 10 chapters total. Chapters 2 through 9 here will actually have a dedicated exercise set, but all of these different sections will have really good information and tips on different topics and subjects that you would typically learn in your first semester of Orgo. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at one of these here. All we have to do is click on the subject for one of these sections here, and it's going to take you to a page like this. And so here you can see that we're at Part 3, Molecular Orbitals, Hybridization, and Geometry. So my suggestion is that you read everything in each part in detail. So again, this is just an outline, but you want to make sure you read through this in detail and make sure you understand all of these points. So you'll read through all of this, and once you've studied it and you understand it well, we can scroll down here and you'll see that we'll be able to take our exercise set. Now each of these exercise sets will come with a set of instructions that you want to make sure you read through. And then after that, we can scroll down and we can get started. So the way that you would do most of these exercise sets is that you would read the question, write your answer down on a piece of paper, and then when you're ready, you're going to click on any of these windows, and you're going to compare your answer to the one that you've just revealed here. So this is one example. Some of the different exercise sets are a little bit different, so if we scroll back up here, we'll look at another one here. If we go to Drawing in Orgo, now we can scroll down to see this exercise set. And so here you can see that you have a row with 3 covered windows. Each of these covered windows are actually related to one another. So in this column we present a condensed formula, and this column here you would be presented the structure, and then in this column you're going to be presented the line angle formula. So at any time you can reveal any one of these 3, and then you would at the same time want to be able to determine what one of these other 2 would be. So just by revealing the structure here, you'd want to test yourself and make sure that you can determine what the condensed formula or line angle formula would be that matches the structure. And so as you guess those, again, you can just reveal each of these windows whenever you like. So these are just some of the features here of the summary guides and the exercise sets. And these will be accompanied in parts 2 through 9. Now when we get to the last part here, under part 10, we're going to go ahead and head into this section here. Here we would be ready to go ahead and start studying organic chemistry reactions. So let's review on how we can use the summary guide and exercise sets. If you are new to organic chemistry, this is the first thing that you should be looking at before you look at any of the other material in our program. So this is the Introduction to Organic Chemistry. So this content is going to cover the first third to first half of content that would usually be covered in most conventional college organic chemistry classes. And this also corresponds to a lot of the information that's tested on in the standardized exams. Some examples of those would be the MCAT and the DAP. So to use the summary guide and exercise sets, you want to make sure that you study every part in detail. You want to make sure you follow everything in order, learn all of the information that's provided, especially the bolded terms, images, and tables, and make sure you complete every exercise set. And then once you're done with all the different parts, you'll be able to start looking into organic chemistry reactions. Alright, so that's the end of our second tutorial video. When you're ready, you can go ahead and watch our third tutorial video.